What'd you do to yourself? Something's going on. So he got tangled in. So he got tangled in something. Yeah, probably tangled in some fishing line or something. He's definitely stuck on something. It's about 6 feet out here, and he's for sure not walking around. See if I can get him free. Alright, here he is. See if I can get him free. What are you stuck on? What are you stuck on? Oh yeah, he's stuck on a fishing line. Braided fishing line with some sinkers. Get you free here, buddy. Alright, I got him free from the fishing line. He's super exhausted, but at least he's free and can recover and keep going.